take off the jacket and put it where she likes.
Okay. Pink one.
Her first haircut?
Yes.
Okay. She might not want to sit by herself. Most of the
Take your friend. And see all the cool stuff in here and where you want to sit. Okay? Okay, let's go sit. Okay. Check these horses. It's a horse. Airplane and choo-choo train.
Nice. I don't think that Elmo needs a haircut, does he? Wow.
Elmo is taking haircut.
That's too tired.
You like this one?
You want the
Or
plane?
the choo-choo train?
Turn that to do.
Airplane, yes. And this one is the choo-choo train.
Yes, too
Oh, you want here? Okay.
Okay, that one's fine. Doesn't matter. Okay, you can help her in.
Yeah.
tired.
What about the pink car?
You want to check the pink car?
Check it out.
No. Airplane. Okay, ja chcę wstać nóżki i to będzie tutaj
Okay, so you know how you want to her?
Yeah, like the bob, I would maybe show you. I was thinking of something like that.
That's what she have right now.
Yeah, but you know the here is
Yeah. The side too short right now. All you do right now, you just cut the back.
and
That's it. And then, the front is too short already. Okay, you want to come and show you?
yeah,
Up to here,
kind
okay?
of short, yes, yeah.
And please do not cut the side again because otherwise, the side need to be long to look feminine. You want to keep some of her hair?
Yes, please.
Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. One, two, three. Mother doesn't. Two little ducks went out one day over the hills far away.
Okay, honey, all done.
With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo
I did layer them a little bit here so not too much tangled. Okay, sweetie, I'll help you down. Okay, you go play.
You want to play a little bit? Go and check it out.
Ooh, a balloon. You like the balloon?
to jest?
Your hair.
Tato. No, mama. Co to jest? Co to jest, mama? Małe?
Okay.
Co to jest?
Wash your hair.
Wszystko?
No, lay down.
Ah.
Okay, I think a bit short for that.
Wszystko!
Oh, it's a bed? No, okay, mommy will show you. Oh, okay. And put your head here, okay? Okay? Like that. And now you
Nie.
are ready for washing. No, nie.